Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. Memory using high. So how to fix? So guys, first right click to start and go to task manager. So this is your memory, almost 100% and going. So firstly guys, restart your system. And first method, update your drivers and windows. So go to click to Windows key and then setting. Then guys, Windows update. So this is like pending 22H2, like any updates so pending from your side, your system. So firstly download and install it. Okay, and second, how to update driver. So right click to Windows key and then click to driver. So display, right click, extract, and right click to update driver and update automatic. This is update from the internet and then close. Next solution. Next guys, disable startup program. So again right click to task manager. Okay, startup app. So showing disable, so I already disabled, that's why it's showing. I don't highlight like this. Microsoft Teams is do not required for the startup program when you start your computer. So, and if you start up from disable, so this is also working, no issue. Select one, this is also not required. Security, this is required. Command prompt required. WhatsApp. Okay, one by one. Next guys, scan the malware for system. So you have a good antivirus, so any using, so open and C drive to scan, show more and scan. You have to show your antivirus name, and you don't have a Windows Microsoft Defender available in your system, so open this one from here, find Windows Security. Here not show, so click to start and type Windows Security. Open. Virus and threat protections, scan options, select this one, minimum 15 minutes to take and automatically restart your system. Okay, then click to scan now. So guys, then click to scan and then X, yes, to click given access. So automatically start for the scanning. Then guys, click to start button and type CMD and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator. So you're giving full permissions. Okay. Then guys, I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay. First command is sfc/scannow. You look at in the screen. So when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay. And then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah. And then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done. When your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.